1125 litre highway tow pressure washer. I'll show you the chassis first. So 1125 litre water tank, available in any colour that you wish. Galvanised steel chassis. Let me show you inside the tank. So lid protector, and then you've got a quarter turn lid which is vented. A filter inside the tank, filtration for the pressure washer. Okay, all running on Avon running gear. So moving on to the pressure washer. Yanmar diesel powered 3000 PSI washer. You've got the chemical feed there, so you can put that in your chemical drum, feed your chemicals. Before you start the washer up, ensure that the isolation valve in the base of the tank is turned into the open position, like so. And the diverter valve is set in that position for going to the lamps for pressure washing. So ensure that the fuel is turned into the on position, so that's the vertical, and then turn the starter control to on, like so, and then it's just a case of fire it up with the ignition key. So the storage there for your hose. You can have a hose reel as an option. You can adjust your pressure on there, pressure plus or minus.